Hello friends, and again welcome back to my channel. So friends, you are viewing my channel. I bring a new website for you that's named trx97.com. So friend, I will give you the total you know about this website. How can you deposit your money? How can you withdraw your money? So friends, I will tell you total about this website. But first of all, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notification about my new coming video and comment on the comment section. So without wasting our time, we will start our video. You can get the registration link of this my description. You can get invitation code here. You can paste your mobile number, password, and withdraw password and click on the register button. I already registered in this website, that's why I will click on the login button, and you can see here I will give the password here and click on the login button. And when you join this website, you can see here no limit to withdrawal of income and withdrawal always arrive immediately. La white paper. Here the address, here the email, telegram. So you can read all about it here. Here the license and certificate of this website. Certificate Tron Financial Industry Business Certificate. Issue the certificate to us department to the tertiary and Adim Harris. Adim Harris is license of this website. So close this, and you can see you can get 38 TRX reward in this website. That is your total access. Here the recharge, withdraw, fact, and FAQ and app option. So click on the recharge button, and you can see here copy address and go to your own wallet. Go to the Tron, click on the send button, paste address, and 10 TRX continue from here. As you can see, whenever 10 TRX is depositing from here, then I tell you how can you withdraw your money. So you can see here, as you can see, our deposit is complete. Now we are come back to our website and click on the recharge completed button. So as you can see, recharge is completed. So come back to website, and you can see here the two wallet, Total Renew and Cloud Mining Machine. In Total Renew, you can see all over the money that present in your website. So you can see all over the money that present in your website. And Cloud Mining Machine, you can get this money when your friend joined this website from your Apple link. Here the Tron Singapore, here the Tron South Pole. You can get all the countries here. So here the joint to Tron Millennial use cloud mining and DeFi technology to ensure that all is get the most TRX renew. So here the platform data display in which cumulative income and number of members are including about us. Reputation platform to protect user income granted by well-known insurance companies. Cloud mining offered a potentially cost-effective way to mine Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, whether it is quantitative trading or DeFi technology, you can easily participate in the blockchain transaction with a small amount of funds and obtain stable income like insurance. Here, the WazirX, CoinDCX, Chance Mining, CoinMint, Bitmain, and Binance are including. So now we are going to recharge, and you can see here the TRX, USDT, other. So you can copy this address and go to your wallet. You can send your TRX here and then click on the recharge completed button. We are already recharging this website. So now we are going to trade, and you can see here plus 0.8% is our daily profit. Cloud mining is running, transferring, and invest now. Income, you can click on that view all button and get all information about it. Click on the investment project, and you can see here about investment project. Now we are going to invite, and you can copy this link and send to your friend. When your friend joined this website from your referral link, you can get rewarded money in your promotion account. Now we are going to mine, and you can see here the recharge withdraw option, cloud mining machine, transfer in. So click on the transfer in, and you can see here about it, the cloud mining machine and transfer in withdrawal password. So you can paste your withdrawal password here and transfer in the cloud mining machine. So click on the back button, information, click on the information button, and you can get name, phone, address, and say your information here. Now click on the wallet button, and you can paste the withdrawal TRX address, and now you can paste the withdrawal password and save here. So agency center, funding details, message, login password, withdrawal password, project, and site. Click on the withdrawal button, and you can see here the withdrawal button. paste your withdrawal address here, paste your withdrawal password here, and click on the save button. As you can see, this is modify. Now you can paste your withdrawal password here and daily withdrawal amount here. Now I tell you how can you transfer in withdrawal. So you can transfer in cloud mining machine. So friends, I will give you the total revenue about this website. How can you deposit? How can you withdraw? So you can see this is the most profitable website. So join this website and earn your money. We will meet in a new video. So take care of yourself.